Don't give your child everything on a golden plate. Don't give your child everything on a golden plate. Let them earn it, even the small things. When my children were little, I had a special weekly chart where I would list all of the chores for each child, and at the end of the day, they would get their reward, a nice sticker. They loved it. It motivated them to compete with each other and do their best to get a nice sticker at the end of the day. That is a great reward for little children. The chart can include simple chores such as making their bed, eating all their food, taking their nap cheerfully, to stay quiet when anyone is on the phone, touch only things that are theirs, to help someone today, put away their toys before going to sleep, closing their eyes during prayer, singing cheerfully at worship. Then at the end of the week, each child would receive a bigger reward according to the number of stickers they earned during the week. What kind of reward can you give them? It can be something you can come up with individually. Believe me, it was a big motivation for my children and my friends' children to do their best. Summary: don't give your child everything on a golden plate. Let them earn it, because only this way they will learn to appreciate things. Rule number 11. Be there for your children. When there is a need for you to support them at school with their little league team or among their friends, let them know and stand up for them. Don't teach them to be weaklings and take things silently, because this can lead to depression and even have suicidal thoughts. By saying that, I mean that when your children face a difficult situation, or you know that someone is accusing them falsely, be there for them. Listen to their story, then go to school, talk to the teacher, find more details, and get things right. I will always remember that in one private school, one teacher falsely accused one of my sons, only because she personally didn't like him. It took several meetings to get things right. Summary: don't easily believe your children's accusers. You know your children best. Be there for your children and get things right, because this is what good parents should do. Rule number 12. Choose friends where they can benefit from each other. Remember the saying, tell me who your friend and I will tell you who you are. And this is 100% true. I remember when I was a child, my grandmother, who was a teacher and was from educated noble family, used to say me, choose your friends among those children who come from a good family, who have both parents, those children who are at the top of the class. I listened my grandmother. I was always friends with children who had those qualities, and I even was friends with children who were older than me, because they were smarter than me, and I could learn something new from them. In return, I would give my friends all of my attention. I loved listening to them, and I always would compliment them. They loved it, and our friendship was mutually beneficial. Later in life, it became a habit for me that I am carrying to these days. Summary: choose those friends who are smarter than you, who have the skills you don't have. And if you are a mother or a father for the first time, you can always rewatch these videos to remember all rules. What are your favorite rules to manage your children? What rules work for you best? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like the video, subscribe and share it with your friends, and give it a like, as it is a virtual way to say thank you. And of course, come to my consultations and I will work with your child so that they become confident and successful citizens. Live long, stay strong, be successful.